What is going on, you guys? Local John 1812 back with yet not a food review, but a vlog today. We're gonna do a vlog style. All right, I got some leaves to rake up here at the church. We're at the church here. We got an event going on today, so I gotta make sure this area looks a little bit better. So, okay, trusty items you're gonna need to do a job like this, guys. Obviously, some type of trash can or trash bags. We got the bigger dumpster back here we're gonna dump it into, but we need that as we're going down the areas to get each pile up. Maybe a leaf blower, a rake, a push broom, and a shovel might come in handy. And if you got a smaller job, maybe like even just a dustpan and broom, make it easier to get the leaves up. Let's see if we can just rake a little bit here. Just see what it'll look like. But I'm only going to go about that part of that area, but the rest of it is part of the neighbor's area. I'll get a little bit of it, but I just want to grab enough for our driveway. Not have a bunch of that stuff over and that's what it's going to look like. A little bit more freshness in this area. So that's what we're going to be doing. Get myself a GoPro or something. It'd be nice to have. You know what? Some type of GoPro. And then get attachments for it and stuff like that. That'd be cool. Yeah, you can use the leaf blower immediately. Or something you use the leaf blower after you get most of the top. Some more to grab off the rest of it. Blow off the rest of it. Got ourselves some type of piece here. So, sliding. Alright, we're gonna keep going. I'll show you some more as I get going, guys. Okay, we got ourselves some old power line here, or something, cable line or power line. I started to pick it up. I don't think it's still active. They took it down. There's the exposed wire from this area here up on the pole, the electric company, a while back when we had a storm. I feel like I can pull it all the way out, but I touched it already once, which is probably not the smartest thing to do, but as you can see here, it goes into the ground. There we go. All right, we got the end of it. We're gonna throw it away. Whole line, look at that. It's horrible. It's been here since about 5 months, 6 months, something of that nature. Alright, so we cleared up that area there. We got all this kind of pushed away from some of the rock area there. All those piles down through there. So we're going to have to now start going back through and shoveling these up into the trash can, then dumping it. And then we'll come back through with our blower and blow all that kind of debris looking stuff to the side and away, and it'll make it look a lot cleaner. Hope that's a good view, guys. Sets you a little ground level. You see me here. If you have a shovel, push broom, rake, whatever you want to use, just grab it like that. Dump it in there. You're going to get some loose leaves on the side, no worries. You can pull it closer to your pile if you need to, or anything of that nature. We got a long way to go, don't we? Yeah, all the way down, but it's the name of the game. And if your trash can or bag is a little full, push them down. You can use your shovel, you can use yourself. Hard day's work, baby. That's what we gotta do. Try to make things look better. I forgot to mention this earlier, guys. Another tool you can use is like a wheelbarrow or even this dolly here or something, because if you have a wheelbarrow and you're going to do like a compost pile, then that's fine. You can wheel it somewhere and drop it into the compost pile. But if you're going to dump this into a trash can or any other area, and you just don't want to drag your trash can all the way down, you can do it that way too. You can pick it up. It's probably light. But I always say, work smarter, not harder. Use the tools you do have. If you don't have them, you're going to have to drag it down. But if you do have it, just use it, right? Makes it easier. Pick it up. Whole barrel's full. Now we'll go down and dump it and easily walk back easily walk back and be able to, you know, put some more in and keep going. Makes the job a little bit faster too. All right, so that is all right, guys. That's all of it right there. We're going to have to get inside and push it down. As you can see, the piles are up. Now what we're going to have to go back through is take the leaf blower and blow everything off to the sides and get it all cleared up and cleaned. So there's John right there. We're going to step in here. John, come up here and jump in there for the crew. John's going to jump in there for you. We don't recommend to do this at home, but go ahead and jump in there, John. And there's nothing else that was in the dumpster, guys, just these leaves. That's how much leaves there was. What are you doing? Why? John decided to switch sides for whatever reason.
Hold my phone, it's gonna fall out of my pocket. Oh, Jesus. Oh my God.
Go, bro. We need a little bit more weight in there, guys, so let me get up in here. You can see it's going down a lot more. There's some boxes right there. Oh. Now we got ourselves some room. Okay. Now it's time to blow it off. All right, time to blow this all the way down now and make it look a little bit better. You can see some of the debris left. We'll blow it down and we'll show you the wind's blowing a little bit too. And you're not trying to make this perfect. You're just trying to make it look a little bit better. You've got a lot of the leaves up and there's still some up in those bricks and stuff, but you can see the difference. So either way, I think we did a good job. We're putting the finishing touches on it. I'll be glad to have this done. Like I said, I'm not trying to do nothing fancy here, guys. Just trying to get it down to make it look more like that instead of like that. Well, we found a sock as well, guys. But we pretty well got it done now. John's walking out, camera mom's walking out. Everything's all pretty well picked up. That's what we wanted to blow it for, make it look just a little bit better. And that's a way better look than what we had. So I'm happy we got that done. We're heading this way. We're getting ready to leave. I just got to put up my leaf blower, throw this sock away, and we got some other stuff to do. So that was just me raking leaves. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you later on. I've got a food review tonight I'm going to do at Arby's. I'll be uploading that this weekend too. I think it's at Arby's. I'm going to make sure I haven't done it yet. It's the loaded mac and cheese with the chicken and stuff. I don't think I've done that, but I'll have to look at my videos to make sure it's saying new. I feel like I've done something like that before, but we'll see. So we're going to do that later on. So go ahead and hit that little bell, guys. Be notified next time we upload. Until then, guys, stay active, stay positive, stay happy. Bye, everyone.